Ever wondered how to make the best fluffy pancakes? You're not alone. Pancakes, a universal symbol of a hearty breakfast, are loved by many. But crafting that perfect cloud-like fluffiness at home can seem like an elusive dream. Is it the ingredients, the technique, or some secret magic that makes them so irresistible at our favorite brunch spots? The quest for pancake perfection is a journey we're all on. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets to making the fluffiest pancakes ever. To make the best fluffy pancakes, you need the right ingredients. Let's begin with flour, the backbone of our pancake structure. We'll need about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour to give our pancakes that classic hearty texture. Next up, we have baking powder. 3 teaspoons of this magical ingredient will make our pancakes rise to fluffy perfection. Add a pinch of salt, around half a teaspoon, to balance out the sweetness, which we'll get from 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, let's add some moisture to our dry ingredients. We'll need 1¼ cups of milk. Any milk works, but whole milk gives a richer flavor. Next, we add in 1 large egg. This acts as a binder, holding all our ingredients together. Last but not least, 3 tablespoons of melted butter for that golden rich taste. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to mix them up. The mixing process is where the magic really happens. Step 1, take a large bowl and whisk together the dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Creating the perfect pancake is all about balance, so make sure these ingredients are well combined. Step 2, in a separate bowl, beat your eggs until they're light and frothy. Add in the milk and melted butter and give everything a good stir. Now, for the real secret to fluffy pancakes, gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry. Remember, we're not looking for a smooth batter here. In fact, a few lumps are a good thing. They'll disappear when we cook the pancakes and help to keep them light and airy. So resist the urge to overmix. It's a common mistake, but one that can leave your pancakes heavy and dense. With the batter all set, we're ready to cook up some pancake magic. Cooking and flipping pancakes is a fun and crucial part of the process. Here's how to perfect that golden brown fluffiness. First, heat up your pan over medium heat. When it's hot enough, ladle in a scoop of your batter. Watch for bubbles to form on the surface. That's your cue. With a quick flick of the wrist, flip the pancake over. Make sure to do this confidently. Hesitation is the enemy of the perfect flip. Allow it to cook until the bottom is a beautiful golden brown. Repeat this process with the rest of your batter. And remember, practice makes perfect. And there you have it, the fluffiest pancakes ready to be devoured. Now you know how to make the best fluffy pancakes. Remember, the secret lies in the right ingredients and techniques. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your fellow pancake lovers. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes.